Okay guys, hope you're well. I'm just going to back up something that I've said to the guys in the squad. It's going to be a very quick, rough video. So roll the intro, set my charts up, and we're going to scalp the DAX. And a warm welcome to one and all. First time here, big fella Scruff, enjoying his coffee, and we can see this is coming in to break the base of here. So bear with me while I quickly drop an order into this. Right, just get it. We're going to go straight to market with this one. Bang. Why? Because it's a quick scalp, and I've already done it. And I want to be 16 pips, give or take. Okay, right. Let me just quickly have a slurp of this and I'll tell you what's going on. I like to help the guys. And in the Discord, I've literally just gone in so the guys know exactly what's going on. Up here, little fossil here was having a look at what the DAX is and one thing and another, and he's done his SWOT analysis, which is excellent because you should do a SWOT. If you're unaware what SWOT analysis is, it's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats, and he was trying to work it out. Now I was looking at this and then he did a bit here, and whenever I see that, I decide that I'll try and help. So that's what I've done. I've broke the whole trade down here. What I would do, how I would trade it, the whole shebang. And then I've put it in here. Now what it's telling me is to sell it because it's got more sell. But it's also telling me that the dominant direction is a question mark, the higher time frame is a question mark, and it's a D trade. Now a D trade is incredibly dangerous. It means defunct. There's no real big trade there, which is explained here. It's telling me it's poor, so I'm gonna have to have a low TP, and that low TP is around 16 pips. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at here. So what I've done is, if I pull this out to the hour, there's a number of things we can start to see, you know. So first of all, let's go +1, -1. First thing I'll be looking at is this drive here. Now I've got key areas of attraction already in place. So there's this drive here. So I want to see if it's rejecting a 50%, yes, no, indifferent. Well, pull that down. What have we got? Well, bang on the 50, retraced into it, rejecting, pulling down. So where's its next point? Of course, it's here. All right, so that's the first thing I'm looking at. So, all right, I can see there's a downward move in play. Take it into the hourly. Where's it going to pull against? Well, it'll pull against the last move, which is this one here. Okay, and it's pushed down and then pushed up. So again, there's a move inside a move. So if I'm, let's just say my sheet told me this was a B trade or something, I would look at the entire move, but it's not, it's a D trade. So I'm going to look at a move inside a move. So first of all, I want to see if it's at a turning point. Well, I've already worked that out on a higher time frame. If I come back to this move here, which is the last move prior to the one that's just come in, and I just go point to point, there's my 127, there's the turning point, boom, it's gone up, failed, and it's pushing back on itself. Okay, right. So it's at a crucial point. I know that. Okay. So what else can I do? Well, I can now look at the move inside the move, which is this. Okay. Breaking the 23. Next point of call is the 38. Down into the 50. What's in the middle? This red line. So that's why I'm targeting this point. Okay. Because I've got a move inside a move. Now what I can also do, which is what I'm going to be doing right now, is looking at a 15-minute, and I'm going to stage this up over the top of this. Now, these are why you can just put an order in, and then these orders is going to go in. So my last point of entry is up there. Put that here. I'm going to put a sell order just about there. Okay. This order is going to go at the same target. And then I'm going to put another sell order slightly above it, running in near that black line. And that's going to run into the target as well. Okay. So I've got my chart set up, got my orders in place, looking to get here. That's it. Simple trade. And it's a scalping process from a move inside a move. Drop it down into 5 minutes so I can monitor what's going on. And then just work the wave. That's it, guys. Let me just play this out. I'll come back to you when it's done because I want to go get some breakfast. Okay guys, there's the job done. Followed the rules, so no tickets to get these off, and that's netted 489. Now you're going to ask yourself why it came out the way I do. I always stage backwards. Now the guys know exactly what my scoring and my rules are, and the rules is very simple. When it starts going against me, 1 2 3 target, 4 out where I got in. Rule 5, get out where I can. So I have kind of 5 sets of criteria. This triggered rule 4, and the cascade paid the trade off. Now I knew where I was getting out, got pretty close to it, but it didn't trigger. So you've got to hold on to your trades. And if you look at the videos I've done recently, touching on the poles, etc., I was talking about that. Your entry is not your important. It's how you manage the trade. I couldn't care less. I can get in on the flick of a coin and then I'll manage the trade out. That's my trade. If you're putting everything on an entry, you've probably failed before you start. Okay. The entry is not the be all and end all. Anyway, so that's the job done. Done that for you, Fossil. So hope that helps. It was a bad trade in the sense that I shouldn't have taken it, but I did it because you were requesting it. I would normally have left that alone, and I'd have certainly waited for it to get a lot higher than what I did. But that's trading, and I'll always back up what I talk to you guys about. So this was mainly for the squad. And as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.